Since my natural lashes basically don't exist because my monolids are pushing them down, let's apply some lashes made for monolids. I'll be using the small monolid style, which is our #1 selling lash. The thing that makes these different from other lashes is the monolid lash bands, which are slightly thicker and firmer to help lift and hold up even the heaviest monolids. Holding the tray in one hand, use the thumb on your other hand to gently tug the lash down and away from where it's attached to the tray. Another option for removing the lash is to bend the tray, loosen one corner of the lash band, and with a grip on the band, simply and swiftly pull it off. Make sure you're not holding the lash by the lash hairs when you do this. Then, taking our all-day hold, safe for sensitive eyes, clear lash adhesive, apply a thin layer right on the top of the lash band. Even though the band is a little thicker, you only need a small amount of glue. Adding more does not mean it's going to hold better or last longer. A little is all you need. Wait a few moments for the glue to start turning gray. That's how you know it's getting tacky. For beginners, I recommend not pre-curling your natural lashes because then they're just in the way. I also suggest looking down into a mirror so that you can lay the lash right above your natural lash line. Make sure the center of the lash is placed and then adjust the corners as needed. Our glue remains flexible as it's drying, which makes application even easier. Also, giving the lash a little lift as the glue is drying also helps the lash stay lifted. Do some combing to make sure none of the hairs are sticking anywhere, and that's it. Lash is on. Now, to ensure your natural lashes blend seamlessly with the false lash, I recommend our partial eyelash curler. Even if you don't typically like curling your lashes, this curler is not like a traditional eyelash curler. It's smaller, easier to handle, and you can get a precise curl of every lash without pinching or pulling or any discomfort. It's loved by beginners and pros alike. And that's it. Look at how the lash stays up even while my monolid is trying to push it down, and it gives my monolid a nice shape that lasts all day.